This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 363FL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, stove-top burner, air conditioning, spare tire kit, awning, external shower, smoke detector, skylight, leveling jacks, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 363 Florida is 9,010 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.